Hey, I'm Hannah, and today I'm in my zone because I'm at one of the best shopping, dining, and entertainment hubs in the Triad, the Palladium at Deep River. Starbucks? Check. Regal Cinemas? Check. A day spa? Check. More restaurants than I can count on my fingers and toes? Check. Beyond the variety of enjoyable shopping and dining, the Palladium is a one-stop shop for about everything your family needs, with a variety of services that range from dry cleaners, churches, banks, and medical centers to Sports Center Athletic Club. This is a wonderful amenity for residents of Nova Triad's The Landing at Sycamore Creek. This community features low-maintenance, detached patio homes built on the award-winning Epcon Communities designs. These folks defined the low-maintenance, easy living floor plan. One of my favorite features of these homes are the private courtyards. Every home has one, and every one is entirely private. Inside, the floor plans are incredibly open, spacious, and brightly lit with natural light that flows in from the outside. These homes not only inspire their owners to embrace the best life has to offer, they also make sure their owners have the time to enjoy those pursuits.